Hi families, I just wanted to send out another informational video on online learning or digital learning for parents to understand what is going to be happening. Like I said, most of our videos will be coming from YouTube, and here is our main page. It will have my picture and Taylor Bengtson at the top. If you look below, it shows you all the videos that I'm uploading, and that can be very overwhelming because they're not all in the same order and they don't look the same. So the easiest way to look at this is to not touch the home tab, but touch the playlists tab and click it. Each of these will have all of the different days that I post on here. So if I click on March 30th, which will be on Monday, I can click view full playlist and it'll show me all of the videos. So there will be 7 videos on Monday that I'll be post that you can watch. Here's 1 of 7, then go to 2 of 7, 3 of 7, 4 of 7, 5 of 7, 6 of 7, and I'm still downloading 7 of 7. And all of them are related to either reading or number corner. Please look on Seesaw and your email for the assignments, as well as you can look in the comment section or the description section for assignments, such as in this video. You can see the assignments are the butterfly book, page 81 and 82, and handwriting X, V, W, and G in the activities folder. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Thanks.